everybody, welcome to the museum. Keep an eye out for hidden secrets around. Have fun. Bye bye, Billy. Okay. Kind of moves when you move. Oh, it does shake. I looked at the middle. It doesn't look like it's moving because I didn't even click the shop. Why? What's it bound? It's not bouncing. It's just. It didn't even touch the floor. Did it touch the floor? Yay, rainbow. What am I supposed to do with it? Go around. Ooh. A bunny. No, I see a duck. Go around. I think it is. Oh, it is flowing. Move. Whoa, how? How? I don't know what I'm doing here. Go up the stairs and keep working. What am I supposed to do here? Wait. What? I don't know what I'm supposed to do here. Just the normal window. Oh, it kind of moves. This is messing with my eyes now. What am I supposed to do here then? Oh, those swirls. No, the same thing. The swirls. Look at the yoga. That's hypnotizing. That will never work on me because my Wi-Fi is very low. And it will not move perfectly. It will just stop. Look around. Look around. What is he supposed to mean? Oh. Wait, I wanna fly. Look, it's flying wings. It shakes. This is kind of messing with my eyes now. Ooh, it's like you're moving the pages from a book. A bunch of papers. Okay, let's go. Turn off the breath. I don't know what this is. I also don't know what is graphic. Tell me in the comments. Look around. It's following me. Or maybe these are invincible. Quick! so bright. Oh my gosh, my eye. Oh my gosh, my eye. It's so bright. It's so bright. It's so bright. I kind of want to zoom in. Come on, I want to zoom in. Okay, let's keep going. It's been 6 minutes in the video. Go around. The spots here are disappearing. Bro! It's teleporting. Oh, this way. Get close. Yeah. I don't even know what graphics are. Tell me in the comments. Same thing here. Why am I flying? Move left and right. It's messing with my eyes right now. This is a glitch. Let's go. It's looking away from you. It's looking away from you. Hey. Why is the people getting more smaller and smaller? I want the people to get bigger. Okay. It always follows. Oh my gosh! When I look away, it turns into this. When I look up, it turns into this. So let's just go. Come on. Stare at me. It's shaking and moving. What am I staring here for? What am I supposed to do here? Swirly rainbows again. Oh, it kind of moved. And also the mini rainbow there. Okay, that's it. To there. Okay, that's it. Bye bye, guys. Peace, space. Space. Oh wait, space. Space. Okay. Bye. I'm not gonna join the group. You're just begging. Oh my god, I hate these.